Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically edit playback settings on Spotify. So click on your Spotify profile, go to settings, then you are going to scroll down until you find playback. Here you can crossfade songs, you can auto mix, allow seamless transitions between songs on selected playlists. You can even enable mono audio. I know a lot of songs have like audio like only playing sometimes on the left and then sometimes on the right, but like not like throughout the whole like song, but like there are like some parts where they do that, like the song Enchanted has like Taylor Swift singing in that kind of way. I'm just going to turn it off though because I do like the effect. You can also enable trim silence, which skips silent moments in podcasts. If you listen to a lot of podcasts on this app here, you can enable that if they have like a lot of silent moments and you just want to skip to where they are talking. And you also have this dynamic normalizer and equalizer as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!